Hi guys, haven't done a mukbang video for a while. That's where I eat my food, which in this case is tuna, mayonnaise and onion on baked potato and fruit juice. That's my midday snack today. I haven't really got much to talk about. It's a little bit dull out there. The lights are on, not because it's dull out there, but because they run off that adapter there, which I also use for running electronics on the table. So they're just on at the same time. We're doing a bit of work on a little toy grade transmitter down here. That's the plan. But I'll just eat in front of you. This tuna and baked potato, that's not on my normal menu. This is something we're trying out. Because my daughter gave us some tins of tuna because she doesn't like it. So she gave it to us. Tastes all right. I'm not a big fish eater. It's not top of my list at any time. But I do like baked potato. Particularly like eating the skin. So if I mix it all in together, it'll taste all right. Not really sure what to talk about today. It's nothing different to anyone else in the country. We're all on lockdown at the moment. And we've had a message on our NHS app that tells us we've got to self-isolate for 10 days anyway. So obviously somebody has been near us who's since registered as having the virus. So we just have to find out if we get it. I think it's Friday today. It was Monday we received the notification, so we're 5 days in, and we were counting back to try and work out when we'd actually been out of the house, anywhere that we could have been in contact with anybody. And we reckon that puts it back to the Friday before that. That was the last time we went to... Well, no, it wasn't the last time we went shopping, but it was the last time we went food shopping where somebody could have registered, had a test after they'd been there, registered positive, input that onto the app, and then the app would have told us. It would have been, you know, that sort of time.
You're finding this a bit dry?
No, that's Nanny shouting to me. She's also banging the cutlery as loud as she can.
Because she's going to have more mayonnaise.
You probably can't hear what she's saying. She's adding more mayonnaise. I'm quite happy with what I'm eating. I'm all right. Bye, Nanny. See, I sat out here in the peace and quiet because she's in there watching television, Home and Away or Neighbours or one of those things, which I hate. So I thought I could be out here in the quiet and sit here and talk to you. So where was I up to? I was talking about this NHS message thing. So, yeah, the way it works is your phone Bluetooth connects to everybody else in the area. So it registers who you've been near, and then if one of those people then get symptoms, they then go and get a test, and if they get a positive result, they then input that onto the app, and then the app will notify anybody else who's been in the area. But if you think about the timescale for that, unless they were deliberately going out when they were already infected and knew it, the earliest they could have got a result wouldn't be on the same day. I mean, they could have been waiting for a result while they were out, but they shouldn't have been. If they suspected they had the virus, they should have had the test and be self-isolating already. They shouldn't be out shopping. Not that you can account for everybody's actions. All I'm really trying to say is we're either 5 days into it, Monday to Friday, Monday when we had the message, or possibly 6, 7, 8 days into it, since the last time we went somewhere where we could have been in contact with someone else. And being as I won't be uploading this video immediately, by the time you get to see the video, you'll already know whether we are infected or not. Well, I suppose that's strictly true. We'll only know if we've been infected if we go and get a test. And you're not supposed to go and get a test unless you're showing symptoms. So far, no symptoms. Well, I enjoyed that. Nanny obviously thought it was too dry and added extra mayonnaise to hers. But I can honestly say I could probably eat that again. I wasn't sure, so I thought I'd video it and see the result in my face. But no, that was quite alright. So that was tuna, onion, mayonnaise on baked potatoes. I don't know if Nanny put anything on the baked potatoes. I mean, I like to have butter on my baked potatoes. So, don't know if I had butter on or not. So now I will get back to, well, I'll tidy up, obviously. And then I'll get back to playing with this thing and seeing if I can remember how to operate an oscilloscope. I don't remember the last time I did. Might even have been at school. Might have used one at work. Not for any particular job I was doing, but we did have them available. And I did have a go at a few odds and ends, I suppose you could say, on the side, things I was looking at because I was interested. So yeah, there we go, end of the video. Thank you for watching. I'll put an end screen up. What will I put an end? No, let's try and remember how to do it. So here we go. Up here will be a video that YouTube thinks you'll like on my channel. Down here will be my channel. Up here, the latest video on YouTube. And down here, a playlist associated with this video, which is probably my cooking granddad style video playlist. So, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.